Hi guys, maayong hapon sa tanan. Ako si Alexis Fernandez from Davao City. Guys, sa tanan akong mga higala, sa tanan akong mga friends, mahilig ba mo mukaon og pizza? Kung mahilig mo mukaon og pizza, i-try ninyo ang pizza Pedricos. Pedricos pizza. Lami kayo na siya guys. Mapalitan niyo sa tanan mga mod. I-try ninyo. Basta lami kay na siya. Very delicious and very good quality. Daghang salamat sa tanan. God bless. Mabuhay. Maayong hapon sa tanan akong mga higala, sa akong mga friends. Guys, ako si Alexis Fernandez from Davao City. Sa tanan akong mga kahigalaan guys, especially to all the young people of today, young generations, or maybe you are a young adults. If you are a job seekers, if you are applicants, please submit your resume to our company, North Asia. North Asia Central Manpower Services Incorporated. Guys, we need driver and picker, we need merchandisers, we need sales demo, we need HR, recruitment, office staff, roving coordinator, food crew or service crew. We need also utility, cargador, checker and cashiers. Please come and submit, and please message me guys to my Facebook account, Alexis Fernandez. And I have also TikTok and YouTube channel. Thank you everyone and God bless.